Cause I restarted this mess with these mini bikes. Now it's cousin, Mike, Kubu, Calvin, Will, all on. Hey, everybody, they all ride now. Got a little Charlotte mini bike crew. So you wanna I put lights on here, so you wanna ride with them. I'm like, man, shoot, dude. We had fun with the dang on Grom, but I wanna get my mini bike back together, daddy. So now he mess with that joke. I'm like, shoot, that joker been sitting in the backyard. I be doggone. He went back there and pulled it. It started right up. And now I'm like, shoot, hey, let's see at least the chain gonna stay on or whatever was going on. I think we had to fix master link. I mean, not the master link, but a chain tension I had broke on it or something had happened where the chain came off or something. That's why I was sitting with shoot. See what he gonna do? Here he coming back. I know he gotta go fast. His mama was riding early. She pulled her bike out. That joker been sitting there. I set it out today and wiped the dust off for her. She like, sure. I like, man, baby, go and take it for a spin. She had to go cut off block. Oh, he's trying to stay quiet with it. That light bright. Like the little light. Like the little light. Like the little light. You got that little stock carburetor with the breather still on and everything. That light bright. Is the light good where it's at? I should lift it up some.
I like it right here. I can see far enough out.
Okay. Well, I was gonna put a bell on my bicycle. You know what I'm saying? To ride with my partner going ham, old Chris. And he done stole my bell. Put on a damn mini bike.
I'm not even sure.
You ain't gonna put your other lights, turn your other lights on?
I'm not even sure if there's oil in the bike right now.
Oh Lord. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, when you started up laying, it was laying over there when you was putting the back tire back on. And you stood up and it started right up. I was like, dang. Got the strobes up under there. The lights on. It's just gonna look good at nighttime though.
Ooh, yeah.
I don't know. Will done got. Oh yeah. He got his license plate on there. Got the light on the tag. It better do something else.